Hello and welcome to Tarot Destination. Once again, I am with my cards, meaning this tarot tutorial we will continue. So, in today's lesson, we are going to discuss 7 of Pentacles and 8 of Pentacles. In our previous lesson, we had already discussed up to 6 of Pentacles. So, now we will discuss the 7 of Pentacles and 8 of Pentacles. Pentacles, we know it's a earthy energy, so it grows very slowly. So it is related to money, some relationship, the materialistic feeling kind of relationship, your business, your finances, anything that comes under this Pentacles only. So here in 7 of Pentacles, we will see person is standing and looking at the crops. He can see these things are there, but I think it is not yet ready. This is what he is standing and he is trying to understand whether the crop is ready or not. So this is the 7 number card. 7, we know it's a Ketu. Ketu, what it will make you, again and again it will ping you, so that you should feel okay, you are not having this, you are not satisfied. So quite unsatisfaction kind of feeling it will always give. This is the planet meaning right now I am discussing. So that energy you will see under this, whatever the 7 cards will come, such kind of energy will come. Always some little disappointment, dissatisfaction kind of thing, such feelings will be there. The situation will be like that, little, it will give little anxiety, and it will always make you to just explore something else, just see something else, like that. So here 7 of Pentacles, you can see the person is waiting to take this crop. Once this crop will be ready, then only he can take this and he can earn some money or whatever, he can consume it. Because now we can see here it is not ready, still it is growing and the person is waiting. So this card shows it is a wait time. So whenever you will run through the Ketu time, always keep in mind it is a wait time. Don't act, it is not action time at all. If any investment or something you are thinking, you wait and go slowly, because it is a slow down card. Go slowly, your result will be good. But if you will be in hurry, so what will happen? Unripened food, how it will give you? I mean, it is not going to give you the nutrition benefits, you are not going to get. So once the food will be ready, once the crop will be ready, then only you either you can consume or you can sell out and you can earn money. So this is not the right time for this crop. This is not the right time for the investment. This is not the right time to take any decision. You have to little wait. But yes, you have to keep on analyzing your situation. You can't simply stand. Here can you see this person, how closely and with focus he is watching, as if he is analyzing which crop is ready, which fruit is ready. If anything is ready, so he will pluck that, or otherwise it will be there. So it is a time to assess your situation, not to act upon that. You have to wait. This is not a good time for the big investment even. In relationship also, if this card is coming, 7 of Pentacles, it shows the situation will improve, but yes, you have to be very careful also, and you should not be very much overactive and overreactive kind of attitude is not required. You have to handle this situation with lot of patience and calmness, because this person, can you see on his face, lot of calmness is there. He is very calm and cool. He is not at all worried. I don't see this person is worried, because he knows what effort I had already put in, that result is going to come. But yes, you have to analyze your situation. You have to keep on thinking. You have to keep on seeing your stuff. Is there any mistake is left out? If any correction is required, anything, because it's a quite of this stage. It is quite because this stage, it is quite, you are going to reach to your ending position, so it is a kind of review kind of position. So you have to keep on reviewing, you have to keep on analyzing your situation. Don't act, but yes, you have to pay attention. So be aware of your surroundings, what is happening. Don't be in hurry, but yes, awareness, it is necessary, because once you will act, you cannot take back your action. So before acting, you have to see how the situation is going to be and how the present scenario is. So little caution card also it is. Let's move to the Eight of Pentacles. Here, Eight of Pentacles, when you see, this person is away, far away from his house, and he is making this pentacle. He is making money. 8, we know that it is a number of Saturn, and Saturn is what? Saturn talks the hard work. You will put double hard work and then you are going to get your results. So always double and triple hard work this Saturn wants. If you want to grow, you have to work hard. So 8 number card speaks, 8 of Pentacles speaks. If you want to grow in your life, if you want to financially make money, financially stable, if you want it to be, you have to work hard. If this card comes in a career reading, it shows, I think you are going to get some internship, you are going to learn something, some skill development. It talks about some mechanical kind of work, the engineering kind of career it shows, where something you are going to create. It could be coding, decoding, it could be your mechanical, it could be electrical engineering. It is a kind of engineering kind of work, because here you see the person is making something, so some small works must be required. So quite engineering kind of thing it is talking about, and slow result. So if this course, it is going to be very fast, it is not going to get over. This is going to be quite long term course, and the result is going to be great. If you will put your effort nicely, you are going to get good result. Also, this 8 of Pentacles, it is talk about you will make money, you will get some internship, anything, but I think little far from your house, where no one will be there. Your house is here, and here you are sitting and making money. So you are away from your family, you are away from the people. So in relationship also, if this card comes, it shows you have to work on your relationship. You need mending. If anything is not working, just find out what is the issue and you have to work upon that. You cannot leave and go. You have to mend that relationship again, because possibility is there that relationship will work out, and you have to work upon that. So this is the 8 of Pentacles. Also, 8 of Pentacles, since it is a Virgo energy, so in my experience, I feel it is related to Mercury. So it is talking about some communication also, some connection, some message will come, some online kind of work also it could be. So such kind of work also it shows. So this telecom industry and all that also it represents sometimes, but not always. This is my personal observation I'm adding here, because since it is ruled by Mercury, so I feel the Mercury qualities will come. Communication wise also, the person will be quite good and the person will be impressive, but yes, you have to put lot of effort, because it is a Saturn card and you have to work according to Saturn. So Saturn, we know that it's a slow moving planet, so result also comes slowly, but with hard work and communication, if you'll be balanced, your result is going to be great. So this is the meaning of the card. I hope you have liked the meaning has resonates with you. Whatever resonates with you, you follow. If something you feel this is not going correctly, you can just leave and go, because it is a tarot. It depends on you what kind of energies you are getting while reading the card. So this is the meaning of the card. Do like and subscribe my channel so that I can bring more videos for you guys. Enjoy the journey. Bye bye.